Meeting agendas. Click that. This gives you an overview of the different meetings. I encourage you to come here and you can see that there are different dates that we have plugged in. I'm going to go to our furthest one out. I always do that just in case it accidentally has a previous meeting. That way you know you are looking at the correct meeting, which also is shown up here. And this is where you are able to sign in. If I wanted to sign in as Invocator Timer, I would click here and it would automatically fill my information in, letting me know that I am there. Make sure you save. So let's go ahead and just do it for things. You can then confirm it. In this case, I'm going to take myself off. If for some reason you sign up and you find yourself not able to fulfill the role, please come in. And as I did here, where you click and take yourself off, that way we know in time to have someone else come in to fill that spot. It's also nice to send an email to either the president and or head of education, just so they know that you have removed yourself, so that we can fill that void prior to the meeting starting, so that we're not scrambling around to fill those different spots. We have where you can sign up to be the Toastmaster, the grammarian. This is where you would sign up for your speeches. I'm going to come down. As you can see, we already have a couple people signed up. We'll show you on this one. So when you sign up, it will pull up this information. You will go into this and it will show you the different pathways and the different levels. You will find what path you're on and what level you are at. Add it to it. And that pulls up your evaluation form. For whoever is evaluating you that night, they can click here. And it pulls up the evaluation form, which you can then fill out any information, save it as a PDF, and send it to the person after you've evaluated it at the meeting. Again, I'm just showing you. Again, I'm just showing you different things in this that will be helpful for you. You can sign up for the general evaluator and evaluators. If there's any special notes or anything, make sure that you set them in here. Make sure every time you add anything that you hit the save buttons. Otherwise, it will not save on here. The night of the meeting, you come in, do as you just have done with logging on. You can see who signed up for everything, what role you have. Up here, you can print it. And as you see, it gives us a nice agenda of how the meeting will be run, what we are doing, what you are doing. Especially helpful if you're the Toastmaster, because you will be announcing all this. But it's all spelled out in the agenda for you. If you have any questions on the agenda, you can contact any of the officers or your mentor for any more additional help. Also, because right now we are meeting via Zoom, here's the Zoom link.